Church of Latter-day Saints near me, a light in the dark, a place to be. Echoes of faith from walls so wide, here in His presence I'll forever abide. In the quiet halls where whispers start, Church of Latter-day Saints near me fills my heart. With stained glass colors and sacred hymns, we find a home where truth begins. Through the city's rush we gather here, Church of Latter-day Saints near me we hold dear. Under steeples that point to skies above, we walk in peace surrounded by love. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, our spirits soar. Faith and love at every door. Brothers and sisters hand in hand, living the teachings, making a stand. Hope and healing, grace we see right here in the Church of Latter-day Saints near me. Through the storms, through joyous days, Church of Latter-day Saints near me guides our ways. With scriptures open and hearts aglow, we follow Christ wherever we go. Children laugh and fathers pray on this bright and holy day. Church of Latter-day Saints near me sings loud, uniting faith in every crowd. Church of Latter-day Saints near me sings loud, uniting faith in every crowd. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, our voices rise, echoing truth beneath the skies. Bound by love and led by grace, it's the sacred house, our resting place. From Book of Mormon truths we learn, to paths of righteousness we turn. Restored Church of Jesus Christ, so near, draw near unto me, we hear. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, pure and true, we stand as one in all we do. Unity, Church of Jesus Christ, so strong. Together we journey, we belong. So come and see, come feel the light. Latter-day Saints shine day and night. Why I left the Mormon Church, a story some tell, but here His Spirit with us dwells. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, always free, a beacon of hope for you and me. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this song touched your soul. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, a light in the dark, a place to be. Echoes of faith from walls so wide, here in His presence I'll forever abide. In the quiet halls where whispers start, Church of Latter-day Saints near me fills my heart. With stained glass colors and sacred hymns, we find a home where truth begins. Through the city's rush we gather here, Church of Latter-day Saints near me we hold dear. Under steeples that point to skies above, we walk in peace surrounded by love. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, our spirits soar. Faith and love at every door. Brothers and sisters hand in hand, living the teachings, making a stand. Hope and healing, grace we see right here in the Church of Latter-day Saints near me. Through the storms, through joyous days, Church of Latter-day Saints near me guides our ways. With scriptures open and hearts aglow, we follow Christ wherever we go. Children laugh and fathers pray on this bright and holy day. Church of Latter-day Saints near me sings loud, uniting faith in every crowd. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, our voices rise, echoing truth beneath the skies. Bound by love and led by grace, the sacred house, our resting place. From Book of Mormon truths we learn, to paths of righteousness ye turn. Restored Church of Jesus Christ, so near, draw near unto me, we hear. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, pure and true, we stand as one in every do. Unity Church of Jesus Christ, so strong, together we journey, we belong. So come and see, come feel the light. Latter-day Saints shine day and night. Why I left the Mormon Church of stories some tell, to hear His Spirit with us dwell. Church of Latter-day Saints near me, always free, a beacon of hope for you and me. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this song touched your soul. In the quiet halls where whispers start, nearest belief our hearts do part. With stained glass windows and sacred hymns, we find a home, a place to be calm. Through the city's rush, we gather near. In the nearest belief, we're sincere. Beneath the same sky, we kneel and pray, finding strength in what we believe every day. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place we find divine faith and community side by side. Together we rise, we never hide. Through the storms, through the joyous times, in nearest belief we stand our lines. With open arms we welcome all. In this church our spirits call. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place we find divine faith and community side by side. Together we rise, we never hide. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place we find divine faith and community side by side. Together we rise, we never hide. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place we find divine faith and community side by side. Together we rise, we never hide. In the quiet halls where whispers start, nearest belief our hearts do part. With stained glass windows and sacred hymns, we find a home, a place to be calm. Through the city's rush we gather near. In the nearest belief, we're sincere. Beneath the same sky, we kneel and pray, finding strength in what we believe every day. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place, we find divine faith and community. Side by side, together we rise, we never hide. Through the storms, through the joyous times, in nearest belief we stand our lines. With open arms we welcome all. In this church our spirits call. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place we find divine faith and community. Side by side, together we rise, we'll never hide. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place we find divine faith and community. Side by side, together we rise, we'll never hide. Nearest belief, our hearts align. In this place we find divine faith and community. Side by side, together we rise, we never hide.